Did you know that it's just one number?
One number.
One number.
One number can get you to any heart institution in Jamaica.
One number.
All you need is one number.
99-43278.
Just one number.
It's easy as 99 heart.
Remember that's one number.
99-43278.
To serve you faster, better, easier. Heart just empty. One number, many locations. One number for all information.
With one number, you can reach any heart location. 876-994-3278.
Good evening and welcome to VTJ News. I'm Deborah Edwards. In the headlines at this time, US and UK lift mandatory vaccination for social workers. Chicken price to go up by 10%. Judge Grace Connolly and her personal driver shot in brazen assassination attempt, and suspected shooters intercepted and killed by police. And in entertainment news, Minister Marian Hall hints at returning to dance hall with possible collab with Shensia, and top flight local DJ jailed in Europe for attempted murder. We'll be right back after these messages.
Voted Best Hostel by Bookings.com 3 years in a row. Dance Hall Hostel, the place to stay when you're in Kingston. Visit our new location in Falmouth. Plan your trip and enjoy our beautiful island. Take dance classes with Dance Xpressionz. Online classes also available. Transportation, excursion, and accommodation included in our package. Book now at dancehallhostel@gmail.com.
Welcome back to VTJ News, and now for the news in detail. Judge Grace Connolly and her driver Martin Hudson are both in critical condition in hospital after her car was shot up by unknown assailants. It is reported that a police unit in the vicinity heard the shots and responded. The men opened fire at the police returned fire, and all occupants of the car were killed. They are yet to be identified. And in entertainment news, local dancehall DJ DB, whose given name is Damien Burns, is now in Amsterdam facing attempted murder charges. It is alleged that DB had an altercation with a promoter over show payment. The promoter was stabbed in the abdomen, and DB is claiming self-defense. His first hearing will be in March. DB is widely known for his hit festival song, Love Jamaica My Land, that was placed second in the festival song competition and a part of a short list of Grammy-nominated songs. And Marian Hall, formerly Lady Saw, has indicated that she will return to dance.
I can't believe you are being so childish.
Mama ask you a question. You want to go in a labor before time?
What kind of question that? Of course not.
Well, not aggravate my spirit, Carlton Wallace. You come and chat about childish. You know what that woman did to me?
You know, it's a different story me get though.
So when you link up with Chief, you get story.
Simone, Me did always curious about you and your mother. I couldn't understand how a woman that abandoned her only daughter with no explanation.
What are the others to understand, Carlton? That happen every day. Me are just one out of many.
Well, I think you need to hear for your side.
I don't want to hear nothing from she, you know. For over 50 years, I don't see nor hear from she. I don't know chatting with she.
You're going to have to talk to me now. You're going to have to tell me what vendetta you have against me.
Bro, what the urgency for? You come.
Tell me, say, a joke you make. Tell me, say, you never take it so far.
Gym thing I work for you, brother, man. That was a solid punch. But what you talk about?
Gym thing that you talk about. Grace Connolly, Marcus. Tell me, say, you never go after them.
What? Something happened to Grace?
Something happened to Grace. You kill a judge. You take it too far, Marcus.
Calm down, Tyrone. Grace is dead? Marcus. You're ramping me down.
The woman car got shut up last night.
So, let me get this straight. Grace Connolly's car got shut up, resulting in her demise. And you think that I am responsible for it? It's a little irate me.
Marcus, looking at my eye and tell me, say, you never have something to do with it.
Tyrone, I don't know if you know this, but that woman had a lot of enemies. She took pleasure in creating them. It could have been anybody. As a matter of fact, she's responsible for the Klansman trial that's taking place now. It could have been from 10 to 100 persons.
Including you.
In the immortal words of Shaggy, it wasn't me.
And why should I believe it wasn't you?
For the most important reason.
What that now?
Because I have the best lawyer on the case.
Them never want me to talk to your father. Them say me too black. Me left Jamaica just for to make a better life foreign for me and you.
Go make a better life for yourself. Cause over 15 years, me not hear or get nothing at all from you.
And you never find that strange?
Me never have no time to find nothing strange. Me dey too busy I fight off uncle and cousin for to rape me. Not to mention verbal and physical abuse from aunties.
What you say? What you just say?
You deaf?
Simone, honestly, I didn't know nothing about that. Nothing.
Oh, you gonna know, Doreen? Oh, you gonna know? You're not busy and make life for yourself, eh? You come and chat boy, you never know.
Stop. I know you're a big woman and you're carrying a little one into this world. But in spite of all that, I am your mother. I am still your mother. So in all aspects, you have to do some respect. You know why you stop here from me? Because I decided to stop reach out. Because I sent you over 100 letters that you haven't even responded to.
What?
Simone, me send you letters, pantapa letters. Me send you money every 2 weeks.
Me no get no letter from you. I me no get no money either. Them tell me say you stop right and you stop send money for me. And them have to mind me and send me go to school. I couldn't even continue go to the high school that I passed for. Them tell me say you're married, you have kids, you move, you have change your number.
You know what them tell me, say? You stop go to school, you look man, you tech man, you do everything that is bad. Me? Me tell them say me want to talk to you. You know what them tell me say? You say you don't want to talk to me. Because according to you, you're a big man now.
Father God.
Simone, come we sit and talk. Your father said that people them not nice, you know.
I know that. I learned the hard way. Me feel like me was the helper at the house there. Cause me was the darkest one. Me have to wake up a morning time, I feed fowl, I tie up goat, me have to wash up everybody's plate, me have to wash clothes. The amount of things that them have me down the side though. A chair wouldn't even know.
So then they have you down there and do all of them things there? Then they have you as a slave.
That's why I couldn't stay. I didn't have to run away. I must say that's why I'm gonna get tell it to them. Where you get them from?
You know me have my ways, Simone. But me just have to prove to you, say your mother never abandoned you.
You're my only child. I couldn't abandon you. Not for love, not for money. Me never expect them to mind you. Me send you money because me did have a good job. You know how much barrel me pack. Send come figure.
That's how people wicked and stay. I feel like me that gonna go kill off the whole of them.
No, my daughter. Time already I beat them bad. You can't run from karma, no matter how you try. I'm just glad Mr. Wallace reached out to me. Because at one point, I was tired of trying. I gave up. I really did. I really, really did. Sorry, Mommy. You don't have nothing to sorry for, my child. Just come hug your mother. Mommy loves you.
So Tyrone, I getting some news on the shooting. Grace Connolly isn't dead?
She's dead?
No, it says that she and her driver are in critical condition at the hospital. Let me see this.
Well, it goes on to say that the alleged gunmen were intercepted by a police team that was on patrol, and in the ensuing shootout, they were shot and killed. 2 firearms were recovered.
You should be happy. I thought that's what you wanted.
Good news, yes. But what are the odds that officers were patrolling at that time to intercept the alleged gunmen, and they were shot and killed.
Well, you know that the government has been stepping up the police presence everywhere, so I am very happy that they were in the area at that appointed time.
Marcus, take your phone from me. You must think that me a big head, bud.
It's a good look this, you know, Charmaine. I'm proud of you, you know, sis.
I know, man. Writing take me out of stress, you know, man. And, you know, I might have that for vent, you see it.
Especially the way I go on now. We need an outlet.
Writing saved my life still, you know, Shappy. Trust me, may I tell you that.
No, you know. But this I take it to some new levels, you know. You see me? Interviewing a major news media and them thing there. Yeah, man. This I it, man.
Yeah, man, for real, man. This is just the beginning, man.
Just go and do it. Go and do what you do. You have my full support. You know that.
Thanks still, you know, Shappy. I appreciate the support, man.
Hello, good day. Welcome to Dancehall Hostel. My name is Melita James. Do you have reservations?
Yes, we do.
Wonderful. Now I'm just going to go ahead and sanitize. And also take your temperature. So you are 36.2 and you are 36.3. You fill this form out, okay? Thank you. So where are you guys from and how did you hear about Dancehall Hostel?
We're from Guyana, actually.
Yeah.
Yes, my name is Nikita. I'm a singer.
Oh, wonderful!
Yes, here to
Nice.
perform at the Jari Reggae Month activities.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
That's great. That's awesome. So how long will you be staying?
Just about 8 days.
8 days.
Yeah.
Wonderful. You'll
Yeah.
enjoy it here.
Oh,
Thank you. We heard so much about here. It's really nice. That's
Yes.
good.
And we
Yeah.
also usually have European dancers coming here. They have dance classes.
Oh,
and
wow.
They tour. It's a whole
I
lot
love
of
dancing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Here
Thank
we
you
go.
so much. So the name of the room that you'll be staying is called Mento. Okay, I'm going to
Mento,
go and
okay.
get the keys for you.
All right, no problem. Can we have something to drink? in the
Sure.
bar?
You want something from the bar?
Yes,
Give me
you.
1 moment.
Okay.
I'll be right
Thank
with
you.
you.
All right,
You're
thanks.
welcome.
Seems nice here.
Yeah. Welcome to Goodable's Bar. Watch us start from here. My name is the bartender Plum with a sexy tummy. I have man. How may I assist you?
Just wanted to get some water.
Water? You don't come a bar and order water, baby. You need to order something stronger. Sorry, coming right up.
Shopping, what going on, General?
What going on, Bushman? Yeah, easy, you know. Yeah, make that present.
So what going on, General? Yo, shopping.
Bushman, him good, man.
But me not know him. You see this? This just graduate at the highest grade.
Yes, sire.
Man, go and chat out again, my dad. The point here.
Yo, Bushman. We link. You know the code.
Yo, remember, believe, a message.
Alright, Bushman, code is live.
Word.
Yo, quick. Reach on my foot as soon as I can, brother. Good.
Yes, Miss Prendergast. I am writing the report now, Miss Prendergast. Yes. Miss Prendergast, I am managing just fine. There's no chaos. Okay. Enjoy your work from home, Miss Prendergast. It's like if you're in there, you feel like nothing will go good.
And you think this is something that will work, Angie?
Well, for what has been happening over the last 15 years in Jamaica, I believe security is needed.
And the recruiting process?
Well, obviously I would take care of that part, but I also have another part who would come in and help with the training.
Why would corporate Jamaica want us to secure it?
Our company will supply well-trained guards. We'll be efficient and professional. Here is the catch. We will give them a 1 week free trial.
A good selling point.
No other company offers that.
Angie, I have no doubt about your passion and commitment. So I'm sure you'll make this work.
Thanks, Mike. And I'm sure we'll make excellent business partners.
We've been friends for years, so I have no doubt about that.
Well, let's drink to that.
By the way, how is Simone? Wanna still link? From what I remember, When you used to inseparable at one point.
She's okay now.
Oh, good to know. Good friends better than pocket money, you know. So we have to treasure them while we have them.
You're so right. Give me a minute.
Bubbles.
Hey, sorry, what one? Mama, I didn't want to look like it.
Alright, me wrap up early today, so as soon as we finish, I'm come link you.
Alright, cool.
Nobody can know about that link, you know. And the most potent thing this out there right now, you know. Yo, the man have the perfect formula for the growth, brother. And the baddest strain.
So, Shop Boss, how we gonna move this?
Pound way. I don't know, nickel and dime thing.
Full time, I prep a piece of food start running up.
I hate this man. And I have the link where I can move it fast.
Sound good for real, man.
Shall I answer that?
Answer what, man? A good day. Them man look a politician, brother, them want to roll it, man.
You see, after we deal with that upset, we're not going to need them board about the place, brother. No time.
So, you just going around, signing off projects left, right, and center.
Yeah, projects that should be signed off months ago.
You know those monies could have been used for care packages in the communities.
Cut the shit, Marcus. The care package something that foolishness. Help the people to help themselves.
So what you are trying to tell me, Sir Carlton? Care packages are no help?
No, that's a handout. And then it's like we expect the people to be grateful because we give to them when it's our duty to provide it. But as usual, we miss the bigger picture.
Alright, Carlton, Wallace. What is the bigger picture?
Give the community them the tools to develop. That is the bigger picture. Now, alright, take for instance the dancehall district. That have a whole of potential for community tourism. But I bet you never know that.
You know, sir, you never see smoke without fire. And you know Mama always tell me that, don't it? How convenient it is that you want to highlight the community that your ex-wife / baby mother live in.
Brother, you know you have a PhD in missing the points, you know. Look, the place have history with tourists that travel from all over the world for come there. All them want is to fix them road and some infrastructural work. That way them can make them own money and not to depend on a care package.
Yes, a fool man him take for brother. I'm to some man, brother. Brother, but you not even know that. What kind of thing they see out them are going with, brother. Yo. I see what I go on now, man. I see what I go on now. Man feel like say you're earning that. Remember, you know, we set this thing, you know. Every man for themselves same way, you know, but at the same time, in a dog. Man, them make it look like some not gonna talk, you know. I tell you, man. I don't know way that though.
Got another code.
No. some man a deal with that. Yeah, talk about that.
So you take it upon yourself to spend the money how you feel like and sign off on everything when we could have used that money in a more effective way?
What more effective way?
You know, sir, we must be very careful of the power that we get and how we use it.
That's rich coming from you. Looking at the mirror when I made that statement there, here. Tell me something. Where you know Dr. Grant from?
Oh, she came highly recommended by another decorated doctor. Why? You want to thank me for finding the best doctor for Simone? You are welcome, Carlton.
You think it's okay if I appoint a personal doctor to my woman without my knowledge or consent?
Yeah. And my niece or nephew. But once again, ungrateful Carlton rises to the surface.
Yeah, and as usual, we know you done missed the point again. But let me tell you this way. Simone is my woman. And if she could get a doctor, me if you have a say in it. So since your political intelligence couldn't show you that, let me tell you this way. Unappoint Dr. Grant from her. Me will find her a doctor. You understand that?
Wow. Wow. Alright, Carlton. Mr. Minister. So, this is the thanks I get for trying to help you and your ghetto girl.
We can't force you to like Simone, but we can pump in your face if you discern her presence. If you ever say that shit again, I'm gonna forget to say you're my brother.
I forget to say you're my brother already. Smith. Never silent here. Check me out.
What kind of style is?
Style? What kind of style you not talk about? Any style I go on and I go on with it, you know.
Brother, you not move like you a hairstylist bad man. A maths class with it? A division you not promote bad man?
Dog, what kind of division not talk about? You not take we call them. And you quick, me send all break back round in your yard. And you in there, you not answer. You not make no link.
Dada, what a style. Big woman thing. We not deaf and we not deaf.
What we deaf and fam?
This politics move, brother. Not deaf on that. We not run behind no politician.
Real talk bad bro. We are look our own. That's how you think the gunman? Man, them have random pyramids, daddy.
No pyramid. Dog on you start sound like a shop in a quick.
Dada, what you mean by that? No man can program me no bad bro.
Don't blame me, no, Dada. You sell out to politician, you know.
Brother, wait just.
Dada, hold.
Shafi, what kind of loose argument? Brother, a sellout really a call bad man.
The truth is an offense, brother. Not a sin, you hear that?
Let me tell you the truth. Of Korea go on with. Y'all a try pint to quick mine.
Tread carefully, you know, Dada.
Can you hear me? I don't want to waste argument, you know. I'm going to say, here.
All you boy quick y'all a walk way. No, you nothing from you two, you know. You don't know nothing what go on, but yet you're pig side.
Dada, what you really a try say?
I know why I try say. Him just say, bad man, you have a personal issue with Mr. Wallace and you want draw we night. I tell man, Him when man a try. And him know say him wrong.
That him tell you.
Stop it. And we name than that as you not take talk. We find out things ourselves, Batman, and know the full 100. So stop going like you want go around the thing for me. Yo, we go up on the same block where the man them come from, and the man them tell me say you start problem because you go for the man's side, go tape the man them thing. The man them never ask, say no brother, to come defend nothing, you know, and you start them right up on.
Them can talk with them want talk. And them same one me go over there and defend.
The man them never ask if you defend them, brother. That's how you go from one place go defend.
Them is glad feet though. Don't.
Man them not happy for nothing, brother. That thing you go on with, brother, true you know you look like that from long time, bad man. And just take up things on your head, daddy. The man them not happy for that, bad man. Shappy, you have to just admit sometimes say you overreact more while, brother. Brother, no say nothing bad, man. Just admit say you're wrong.
Move. I mean, now you're nothing to come out tight, brother. I tell you nothing. You know I do this just because you don't want to do it. Roll the one like a idiot politician boy.
That's all you talk about, you know. Politician. You ever see we are run back on nobody? Let me tell you two on this. You see the dandadas? We not run with no politician. We not roll with them people. We make politician fix the community. You get to me, I say, we are do this for the youth them on the block. So if you don't want to feel like say roll with dandadas, them are roll with politician, that's a phone business. You get to me, I say, we are do this for the youth them. And we don't chat. Shappy, this way, yeah, youth. Yo, quick. Neat styling, check us still. But don't say nothing, man. Don't forget kindness, yeah? This man born to break the code, yeah?
Remember who create the code.
I don't remember kindness. Them remember kindness I made for them. Who them take man for?
Come a point to them, I go realize quick.
Yeah, I'm not pleased up with them, brother. First of all, he need to learn to stay in his own lane. I will tell him same can come in a shipping business. I don't care how much partner I have. All drugs run out. I know him look something legitimate to get in. You know his thing? Listen, I not sign that for him until he make me a partner too. He can't just pay me one time and it goes up. He have to make me rich. Tell him say a circle or no deal. He can go back and sell drugs on the street side. That massage parlor. Now get a proper rub down and maybe a bonus. You are later.
Well, hello. I'm Diamond and I'm your masseuse for the day. Welcome.
Yeah, you really are shine bright.
Well, thank you. So, what type of massage would you like today? There's active release, Swedish, and deep tissue.
Well, I'm not Swedish, but I love to go deep and release.
Oh, so you're a funny guy.
Yeah.
I like that. But one moment. I need your signature right here.
Signature? What is? I usually do this.
This is how a girl get paid, you know. It's that picture just sign here for my baby.
Don't worry. Do a good job. You'll definitely get a bonus bigger than your regular.
That sounds good, but I still need my regular pay. As they say, every miracle makes a miracle. Right?
True.
This letter is to inform you that the new legal owners of 11 Emsway are now Mr. and Mrs. Parchment. They acquired the property and house after paying off 15 years of property tax owed by the mortgagors. The premises must be evacuated within 30 days or a lawsuit will follow.
Janine, clean every inch on the road. Every inch.
Yeah, boss, I'm ready. Yeah, man, you not for ask that, boss. Sign on ready. Yeah. Thanks for the signature. Bye.
Let me smoke for you.
Look every friggin' remember. Boom.
One king. That man Spain, what is good?
All is well, G.
Yeah. We are here to celebrate. Well, celebration is good. What is the occasion? We, my friend, are officially legitimate businessmen in the shipping business. That, my friend, is serious reason for celebration. So what you say? You really get the brother for signing up on the license? Yes, indeed. Get the lovely diamond to pay him a little visit. And he had no choice but to take the talk. And I'm more personal. That's Spain. You know I go into this shipping business with you for two reasons, two main reasons. One is I respect your business ethics and your professionalism. However, the main reason is I really want to knowledge you. Plus, you see this money, you see money, it comes from God and trust fund. The one piece of me that is untarnished. So bro, I don't want to take on anything that will come back to haunt us. Or worse yet, to tarnish her name and reputation.
King, your concerns are duly noted. Rest assured, sir, the same degree of respect we have for me, we have for you. See? So I will not do anything at all where I think can jeopardize this venture we have. It's that important.
And the minister?
Minister of Government. Get free piece of food, start out the permit them fully. So we're up. Fully legit. Fully legit.
Well, let's have a drink then to celebrate. That's a morning. Alright, sir. Voilà. Alors.
Will you say what? King! King, I want one! King! King!
Simone, what to you? You're sleeping all evening.
I just feel dizzy.
Dizzy? Oh, all of a sudden you start feeling dizzy.
A good while now I'm dizzy. The doctor they give me some tablets to take for it, but it now work.
What kind of tablet them there?
I don't even know. She just give me them in one bottle and say take them 2 times a day.
Then how you gonna take something where you don't know about? No label, no on it, or anything?
Because she a doctor, mommy. Me I call her and make she know say it now.
Oh my God.
Dr. Grant. Yeah, the topic them when you give me them now working and I still feel dizzy. You gave me the home. Oh yeah, 5 minutes away. Alright then.
Simone, let me see the tablet them.
Them upstairs in the top drawer. You know, one white box.
Princess, what happened? Oh God. Breathe. Just breathe. Yeah, calm down. Just breathe. Just breathe. Tell me exactly what happened.
Oh, politician. Marcus.
Yeah, what?
I don't even know if it's him. I don't know if it's him. But him said in the lawyer boy for come step to me in my courtroom. I feel like him knows him can't swear me daddy.
Take it easy.
Daddy, I know one case, man. You know me and the clansman case. The clansman them knows them can't touch me. It's a fear idiot. Like Marcus Wallace.
Hi, Simone. I got here as soon as I could. Have you been taking the tablets that I prescribed for you?
Are these the tablets?
are you?
No, who are you?
Dr. Grant, her personal doctor. Who are you?
Doreen Brown, her mother. And what are these?
Well, Miss Brown, unless you are a certified doctor, I will not answer any question that you ask me. I was personally hired to take care of your pregnant daughter, and that is what I'm doing.
Well, I am personally firing you because these are clozapine tablets. These tablets are for people with schizophrenia. Now you need to get out of my daughter's house before I call the police.
Really, Dr. Grant?
Why are you still here?
Simone, it's apparent that you weren't taking...
Come out of my house and don't say nothing to me. What the hell did you just say? Come out of my house. No wonder Carter never want you around me. Old wicked doctor.
I hope you feel better soon.
I said she could have killed me off, I don't know.
Critical? Look how me try. I place this boy beside you because I don't want him involved in certain things. And look what happened. Tell me, what is your condition?
It went right through. So it goes through, Daddy. It went through. And get a grades. It's actually 2, but the 12 grades missing. Daddy Martin get everything. Daddy Martin get everything.
What if them boy you know who them a play with?
Daddy, hold on. Daddy, hold on. We don't have no proof. I don't have any proof. I feel like a him. Daddy, we have to let the law work. We have to let the law take its course.
Let the law take its course? Me send you in the law. And that couldn't protect you, even though you hold it up to the highest standard. And you come and tell me about law? Listen me I'm going to introduce some people to the law of my Glock 40.
Daddy!
You hear me? Now send 2 people come watch your place. So when you see them, don't have fun.
Simone, calm down, my baby. Come, let's go upstairs, sweetheart. Come.
Come here, you balloon.
Surprise!
Are you to this? 5, are you to this? Nope. Then a who?
Come on, not take too long, man. Look for all good.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry too.
So, we do all of this. When you come on the road, you see you, mommy?
Yo, so we can move to the bar now, man.
Come in.
Feel like it's a boy, you know.
Well, you don't know, you know, girl or boy. Pink. You know the link.
But it have to carry something pink.
Pink bastard.
You're going on good. Nice vibes, but not too tired. I move through. Get to me, I said. You got to say, you know what I mean? Go on.
40.
Red back.
Dadas.
Out.
I heard, you know.
Dadas.
What?
Need to talk to.
You link up bubbles, man. I say, alright.
Just link bubbles, man. You know the link.
The place almost full. Yes. We have people from Colombia and all of them things there.
Oh, come and see them too.
Yeah. And then guess what? Bubbles can be show for me.
Bubbles?
I'm ugly.
Welcome to the family, Mr. Wallace.
Thanks, Bubbles. It means a lot coming from you. Alright, I have a surprise for you. Well, two surprises.
Again?
First one, I got your car. Now, everybody, I have an announcement to make. Oh, Simone, you know you're the love of my life, about to be the mother of my child. We already did this once before, and I'm going to ask you to do it again. Now, Simone. Oh, Smith, welcome, man, welcome. Simone. Carlton Wallace, you're under arrest. What you talk about, Smith? From one of the laundry. Smith, we are talking business, man.
Officer, Carlton, what is?
You don't know what I'm talking about. Smith, but...
Officer, so we can't talk.